sometimes market will not just gonna give you highs and lows. So it means you must have some other knowledge behind it. I only trade US30 only.
Okay.
Because US30 is where this is working 100%. Basically, for me, trading just a lifestyle. I love trading. Yeah, that's all. I'm not trading for money or something like that. Money come after.
Right, Mac, thanks for doing the interview. Thanks for taking the time. So if you could just introduce yourself to the community, tell us a bit about yourself, where you're living, how long you've been trading, how long you've been with FundedNext, those sort of details.
Okay, first of all, my name is Mac. I stay in South Africa, but I'm from Angola. Currently, I'm trading for 5 years. I'm trading, and so far, I've been trading with FundedNext since last year.
Okay. Are you funded or are you still in evaluation?
Currently, I'm just in evaluation now.
Okay. All right. So what are you, Stellar account? What sort of size of account are you looking to get funded? What challenge account are you doing? The Stellar?
Stellar, yeah. Stellar.
Yeah. Okay. What size?
15,000.
15. Okay. Yeah. Nice starter size. Yeah. Not too big, not too small. So what are you trading mainly on that?
Basically, I trade the most US30 and German 30, and sometimes Euro USD as well.
Okay, so indices, so Dow Jones and DAX. Okay, it's pretty volatile. Is that the reason for trading those two assets? You like the volatility?
Exactly, yeah. And plus, understand very well how it moves. So these just give me more advantage.
Okay, so what's your strategy for trading those? You trade DAX, I assume, in the European session, and then you switch to US30 when New York opens, yeah?
I only trade US session only.
Okay, all right, okay. So you wait for the equity open at 9:30, and then what are you looking for?
Basically, I trade more in binary numbers, like I can explain to you. There's a specific zones or market numbers where I place my orders. And those numbers, they're only valid on US section only.
Okay. What sort of numbers are those then? That sounds very secretive.
I will show you on the screen. I will show you on the screen. Don't worry. I will show you on the screen and you'll be very surprised. I will show you.
Okay. All right. Are they... Give me something to go on there. Are they based on some kind of range from a previous session?
Not exactly. Almost like that, but not 100%, because sometimes market will not just gonna give you highs and lows. So it means you must have some other knowledge behind it, so that you can just combine all of them. Okay. All right. Basically, I can say I just analyzed to create those strategy like 2 months back. I was just testing it first, but now it's working perfectly.
Nice. Okay. Interesting to see it. Okay. So, so this strategy you've obviously back tested. You tested it on the US30. You've tested it on DAX. And what's the win rate like?
I can say I only test for US30 and works 100%. Now it's working at 100% now.
Okay. That's okay. That's a good strategy then. Okay, all right. So you're looking to trade that. So US30, US session. We'll talk about the strategy in a bit. So just tell us a bit about yourself. What brought you to trading? Why trading?
What?
What brought you to trading? Why are you trading?
Why?
Yeah. What attracts you to trading?
Basically, for me, trading just a lifestyle. I love trading. Yeah, that's all. I'm not trading for money or something like that. Money come after. First is the passion of trading.
Yeah, that's the right attitude. Great. Okay. All right. Well, let's switch to your laptop then, and let's talk about the charts and how you trade these assets.
So the specific numbers, not about the high and low. It's just specific numbers. I just don't want to go very deep about the strategy, but I just want to show you like how it works. It's more about the numbers.
Come on then, tell us What are these
specific
areas
numbers.
areas of interest that you've got marked here with these arrows? What's that?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. When I put those arrows, mean like there's a numbers there, and I don't care about the market high and lows, but since is low, those numbers execute, and right now is working 100% right now. So
Right.
as you can see myself, yeah.
Okay. So these
Just
look like.
Just pay close attention. This since January until now. I will show you all the analysis is working 100%. All of them.
Okay. So what is the calculation for that level? What are you looking for? Previous swing high at a certain time.
Let's say this strategy only works on US session only. If you apply somewhere else, we're not gonna work. This only works in US session specifically. So that's why, like, as you can see right now here, they're not failing because it's a specific section that this works. So as you can see, that is a specific session that this works. A specific session, the only US session only.
Yeah, well, of course. I mean, volatility.
So it's
volatility comes in at 9:30. So
where people not see
yeah.
So it's mean where people will not see entries. I will see entries there because I work just by now. I know something like trading is like a machine, right? And in programming, computers only recognize two numbers, 0 and 1 only. This is now just about programming. Computer only recognize two numbers, 0 and 1. So this is basically almost with the same logic, 0 and 1, 0 and 1 only. And so far it's working 100%. So it took me a while for me to fix it, as you can see.
Okay, so what are you expecting today then, just out of interest, at the open?
Today I'm just expecting sell on US30. I'm expecting sell.
Okay, so where's your area of interest today?
I'm waiting for number to play out and then I will execute. As you can see, like here, let me put this one. Yeah, as you can see, like here, if you check here, the numbers recognize the last numbers, but fail to give the signal because it just came to validate the second number. So this is basically where people fall for manipulations. But if you know what you are doing, there's nothing to be scared of. So as you can see, the same thing happened over and over again. Okay, just look here. Let me just put this. Just look here. How sure are you that I'm gonna be selling from here? Because there's no entry here. As you can see, there's no any entry here. How can you be sure that I'll be selling there? The explanation.
Well, I don't know. Unless you give me an explanation, I don't know. What is that?
Anyone will say that there's no entry. That's the numbers. As I told you, I just buy and sell just because of numbers, not because of any strategy, whatever. Just the numbers. Exactly here, there's no entry. Everyone will say like there's no entry here, but I entered there and plays out nicely.
Okay. So why there? Because of the price or because of the time?
Both them, they must meet together. Time and price must meet together. So the same thing as well happened here as well. There's no entry here as well. I'm just showing you like what's happening so that you can see by yourself. What I mean when I say it's working 100% here as well. There's no entry here as well. I played here just because of this. No entry here as well. Let's play out. Which one there? Which one now? This one as well. Let me check this one. This one as well. Boom up, boom down. Simple. So basically, I do believe like anytime in the future, I'm gonna create robot based on this strategy. So far, it's showing 100% accuracy. Here as well, the same thing. Like here, as you can see, the aim was for market to come until here, but just because of NFP, the market just came here and then boom, just up again. So it's mean here was the exit because here was the NFP spike, the last NFP spike. And here as well, as you can see, like our entry was just around here in the number 3890.1774. It was the number that we just are looking for. So basically what happens, I know already where the market is just gonna turn back before the market go there.
Okay.
I don't know if that makes sense.
Okay, show us today's chart and put that level on today's chart. So what have you got so far for what is the date?
So it means before the market goes somewhere, I know already where the market will go and what I will be also expecting. Anything less than that, I will not execute any trade.
Okay.
And funny enough is what, like, I was showing this with my profile account as well. I was just trying this out, so now it's working up to Sunday. Yeah.
Okay. So how many trades have you placed using this strategy?
Basically, daily, only one trade daily, and sometime weekly, I can take 2 trades or 3 weekly. Yeah.
Okay. And they're all based on
it's mean the numbers
this time
don't
frame?
play out over and over again. Can play, let's say per week can play out twice, or maybe just 3 times. It means per week I can only have 2 trades or 3.
Okay. Oh, that's ample. I mean, you don't need any more than that, sure. Okay. So how many trades have you taken in the FundedNext account with this strategy?
In the time that I was using FundedNext account, I was not executing this strategy first because something. This strategy was in the lab first. I wanted to make sure that this strategy is working 100% before I apply to any prop firm first. So now it's working 100%. It means I can just execute in any prop firm. Like here right now, let me just put here something like this. If this is a condition, right? Let me just put here. If the market don't reach until here, this zone, until approximately for the next 3 to 4 hours, it means we're gonna sell here. It's about the time. If the market don't comes around here until the next 3 hours, if the market don't break that zone in the next 3 hours, it means we're gonna sell here.
Okay, so you're looking at you were just pointing at the current day's open, which is on your chart.
Not exactly. It's about the numbers that, like, you see in the market. It's not about the chart. Let's say candlestick, and so on. Something behind the candlestick. There's a number, right? That sometimes people can call it price, isn't it? So it's mean behind candle there is a numbers. Candle is just a form of design so that people can see it on the screen, but behind those candles there's a numbers there. So I play more about numbers games, not about the candlestick or something like that. Now it's more about number games.
Okay, so you're saying if we don't take that high in the next 3 hours, then we're going to go lower. Okay.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, because I'm thinking about the numbers, not about the candlestick or supply demand. No, it's about the numbers. I'm just talking about numbers.
You're talking about counting
the next
candles?
3 hours, if the market don't come around these zones, mean we're gonna take it for US session and we sell, simple like that.
Okay, all right. Okay, why 3 hours? I mean, 3 hours takes us to approximately 7:20 Chicago. Why 7:20?
Come again? Let's say,
why 3 hours?
How can I say? Let's say until 3 o'clock South African time. If markets don't go there, we sell. If market breaks that zone before, I know already where the market's going.
Okay. Right. Okay. Well, the open isn't for another 4 hours, so
Yeah, that's why I say like 3 hours, because must be minus 1 hour. Must be minus 1 hour. So.
Okay. All right. Right. So we'll see if that high gets taken 1 hour before the open. If not, you're expecting the price to go lower.
Yeah, but probably I do believe like anytime soon again we're gonna meet when I apply for this strategy in prop firm, and you guys just gonna check my performance. I do believe that we're gonna meet again, and I will tell you like exactly what I was doing. And remember, just this day today.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm interested to know more for sure. Okay. Sounds an interesting strategy. Very, very much different to most people's strategy, which is obviously based on, retail indicators and supply and demand and liquidity. So you're not referencing liquidity at all here. You're just looking at.
Like, you see, let me just explain something, right? This is like when majority of the people use something, there's a more chance for market to manipulate there. When less people use something, it means there's a less chance for market to manipulate because less people are using it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if does it make sense.
Yeah, no, I understand. Yeah, I mean, sure. I mean, you don't want to be trading the same strategy that most people are trading.
Basically, what can mess this strategy is all about psychology only.
Mm-hmm.
So far, the strategy works 100%. As you could see by yourself, is working 100%. Unless trader will be emotionally and then will not mess up just because of emotions. But beside emotions, everything is 100% working.
Okay. Can you show us your FundedNext account? Can we see your dashboard?
The dashboard is in other laptop, not in this one.
Oh, okay. All right. No worries. Right. Okay. Well, I like the idea. I like the good luck with the strategy, and if the win rate is really that high, I would start trading it now if I was you. Right. Okay. Have you tried it on any other indices? Have you tried it on Nasdaq? I'm sorry?
No. I only trade US30 only.
Okay.
Because US30 is where this is working 100%. I didn't test, like, so far, I just didn't test it on Nasdaq, right? But on US30, it's work 100%.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
As they say, you look for what is working for you and then stick there. So this one is working 100% here, and I'm stick here as well.
Oh, for sure. No. Just, of course, if the strategy works on this asset, obviously don't deviate. I just wondered if it worked on anything else other than US30, but okay.
As you can see, and plus enough, like if you check the risk reward ratio is also high. Let's say this one, 1 to 8. This is 1 to 8. Let's go. This one, 1 to 10.
Mm-hmm.
This one, 1 to 13. Let's go. This one, 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 8. 1 to 5. 1 to 4. 1 to 2. 1 to 5. 1 to 7. 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 11, 1 to 4, 1 to 6. Let me just go.
Yeah, no, looks very
1 to 6, 1, 3. If you calculate all of those risk loss ratio in 3 months, like you can make 6%, 70%, or 80%. Of investment.
With the prop funding,
because they have it has like high risk reward ratio, very high risk reward ratio. So
okay, all right, okay. Well, good luck with that. I suspect we'll be talking again if this strategy plays out. So yeah, good luck, and anything that FundedNext can do for you? Anything we can improve on the platform, or you happy with the spreads on US30?
Anything that you guys can improve on that, but like so far, I think everything is just running smooth. So I don't feel like you guys need to do any change there, and everything's just looking smooth.
Good. All right. Glad to hear it. All right, Mac. Well, thanks for your time, and good luck, and speak to you again.